What is up, everybody? As you can see, I am down and out. The power steering hose on my car broke, so there has been no dumpster diving for the last 3 days. I just got my new parts in from Amazon, so today's video will be fixing the power steering reservoir and hose on my convertible BMW. Yes, I dumpster dive in a BMW. Well, the GoPro decided to be a jerk. I don't know. It's acting funky and doesn't want to work. So I've switched over to my phone. And I guess I could put my other mount on the phone so that I could film from top down. But we'll just do this. What I'm going to have to end up doing is just cutting the old hose. And hopefully it all drains into the milk jug, which I have finagled sort of halfway underneath, because sucking the fluid out was not working, and that dumb pump that I bought wasn't working either. Oh, you know what? It's gonna be better. A razor blade. Get most of it out of there. Okay. Let's see what size socket this is. Oh, my hands are all greasy now. It's 12. Maybe a 13. Extension, so I'm going to have to use my small ratchet. Let's see if this is it. Yep, this is it. But even with this extension, it's barely long enough. All right. So my son-in-law thankfully had another extender so that I could get in here and get this bolt off. There's 2 bolts holding this reservoir onto the bracket. Get these out of here. Get this up. Now the trick is how I'm going to get this other hose off without damaging it, because these have factory clamps on them, which you can see. So they have these factory clamps, which they don't have a screw. They're like press on, so you've got to cut them off. And I don't think the cutters I have are going to work. I have like tin snips, not wire cutters. Don't know how I'm gonna do this. Yay, I got it off. It really wasn't that hard. I just had to grab one end of the metal piece and bend it with the pliers, and it just came right off. So now we have to disconnect this bracket from the old reservoir. Of course, it's a different size bolt. Why would it be the same same size. Don't even have to take the whole bolt off, just had to loosen it, and then the reservoir slid right out. Got the new one. Let me dry this off, clean it up. All this old fluid, who knows how long that hose was leaking. I will be so glad to get back on the road. We got a flat tire in this car a few days ago, so it's kind of been one thing after another. And our truck isn't running that great right now either. So we've been trying to make do. And what I really need to do is I need to go out and buy like a little van or SUV. Donations are welcome. So that I can go dumpster diving. Then I can start bringing home the big stuff, the good stuff. Hopefully there's not too much grease on my camera lens. Got the old hose off, got the new one on. I lost my little screwdriver. Got to put on the clamp here, tighten that up, and then put the reservoir back, connect the other hose, and we will be good to go. All right, I successfully got the new hose on there and the new reservoir, cleaned everything up. It's looking good, so now I'm gonna fill it with fluid and cross my fingers.